Okay, so I went ahead and checked the water line. The water line's going to be about right there. We can see my outriggers are going to be running about 2 inches max below the water line. You got to make sure that they're straight up and down, side to side. So just make sure your kayak's on your center line. So what we want to do is make sure that our outriggers are parallel to the line. Doesn't matter that they're on that line. 36 inches is a maximum distance. Now when those go in the water, they're going to come up a little bit more, and they're going to be about 36 inches. That's spring loading action right there. So it's all looks pretty straight that way. Want to make sure that it's straight up and down. We don't want the front outrigger tipping down, or the back one, or that looks pretty straight. Looking pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it so I can take it apart and glue it together. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so what I did is I went on all the segments and I put marks on them right where they line up. Now I'm going to take the whole thing apart, and when I glue it together, I'm going to line those marks back up. I'm going to glue it together. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to tape off the part that goes in. You don't want any paint inside of this because it makes it too tight. So I'm going to take it apart, glue it. I'm going to tape this in. I'm going to paint the whole thing, and then we'll get back with you from there. Just double check everything. Make sure it's all lined up, straight, symmetric, and you're happy. I ended up cutting about this much off of the long parts right here just to make it a little bit better under the water line. So I'll get back with you. All painted, put together. Drilled the holes. This is where I'm going to pin it. I just don't have any 1/4-inch pins right now. But I'll pick them up. And then all you got to do when you're ready to take it out, you just take you off your outriggers, and there you go. You're good to go. Just remember, this is a flat water kayak. It's not meant for the ocean. You'll have fun taking these out to the lakes. I like to fly fish for mine and lay on top of it. I can jump out of the kayak and get back in it. Quite fun. I'll have some other videos of other kayaks that I've done on here, but outriggers on a kayak. Thanks.